Welcome to Shoes Eternity's Tube Eternity video. In this session, we'll be showing you around 10 cotton silk sarees, all in the price range of 1980. We are going to be showing you 10 sarees in this session. We'll start the show. Saree number Y71, priced at 1980. This is a lovely orange, a nice orange tone. The full body has printed work on it. Also has floral designs on it. The borders are worked in thread. Yeah, that's the pallu, a beautiful floral design pallu, and a plain blouse with thread woven borders. That's the blouse. Saree number Y71, priced at 1980. Moving on to Y72, priced at 1980. This is a lovely bluish green. The full body has thread printed patterns. The top border is quite unique. The design has a zigzag pattern on it. The borders are green borders. That's the pallu, a thread work pallu, and a plain blouse with borders. Saree number Y72, priced at 1980. Moving on to saree number Y73, priced at 1980. This is a lovely green, leaf green and parrot green combination. The full body has printed work on it, block printing work on it. The borders are green borders with a checkered pattern on it. That's the pallu, in a floral design pallu, and a plain green colored blouse with borders. Saree Y73, priced at 1980. Moving on to Y74, priced at 1980. This is a lovely orange, a nice peachish orange, and the borders are orange in color. The body has block printing floral abstract designs on it. Yeah, that's the full body. That's the pallu, the lovely orange and sort of an abstract pattern on it, and a plain blouse with borders. Saree number Y74, priced at 1980. Saree number Y75, priced at 1980. This is a lovely peacock design, peacock green and blue. The full body has block printing work on it. Yeah, so the borders are blue in color with small checkered border checks patterns on it. That's the full body with the border. That's the pallu, block printing work on it. That's the blouse, a blue blouse with borders. Saree number Y75, priced at 1980. Saree number Y76, priced at 1980. This is a nice mint green, has a shimmer to it. The full body has block printing floral and abstract patterns on it. The borders are powder check borders in green color. That's the full body with the border. That's the pallu, a nice printed work on it, and a plain green colored blouse with borders. That's the blouse. Saree number Y76, priced at 1980. Saree number Y77, priced at 1980. This is a nice green, a sort of a dual tone greenish blue. The borders are blue in color. The top half has a zigzag wavy pattern on it, block printing work. The bottom half has a floral block printing work. That's the pallu, an abstract box pattern pallu, and a plain blouse with borders. Saree number Y77, priced at 1980. Moving on to saree number Y78, priced at 1980. This is a lovely orange, nice bright orange. This is another color variant of the previous saree. It has zigzag block printing pattern on the first half, on the top half. The bottom half has floral block printing work. That is the pallu. The full pallu has pink and orangish pattern with block printing work on it, and a plain pink colored blouse, a peachish pink colored blouse with borders. Saree number Y78, priced at 1980. Saree number Y79, priced at 1980. This is a nice blue, a lovely blue. The borders are checkered borders, powder check borders. The full body has block printing, floral and round design work on it. Yeah, that's the full body with the border. That's the pallu in blue. a stripy pallu with floral design block printing work on it, and a plain blue color blouse with borders. Sari number Y79 priced at 1980. Last sari for this YouTube session, sari number Y80 priced at 1980. This is a lovely orange and peach combination. The full body has block printing work on it in sort of a floral abstract design. The borders are plain peachish orange with powdered checks work on it. That's the pallu in peachish pink with floral design block printing work on it, and a plain blouse with borders. Sari number Y80 priced at 1980. People who would like to buy, please log into our website, which is www.shoeseternity.com. Click on the website. There is a tab called Tube Eternity where you can find all the products that were displayed in the video. Click on whichever you want to buy and proceed to the payment options. Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for taking a look at our videos. Please subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Happy shopping and stay safe. Bye-bye.